know it was recording.
I like them chocolate cocoa puffs. I like them chocolate cocoa puffs. I like them.
What's up, everyone? It's your girl Allissa here, and today I am back with another video. I got some hair. I ordered this hair from Hairsmarket, but of course, and it's loose wave. We got this secured tight. I got 16. 14. 12. Y'all can't see these numbers, but that's what they are. And a 12-inch 4x4 closure. And of course, you know, they sent lashes. Personally, I don't never use these fake lashes. They look like plastic, but my roommate, she just got into wearing lashes, and I'm starting her off with plastic lashes, so these gonna go right to her. But you know, let's get into it. First thing first, I'm gonna take out this closure to see what it's looking like. You know, I highly advise y'all, if y'all gonna order some hair, oh, that's a lot of baby hair, get it from Hairsmarket. I'm about to comb through this real quick. So, oh wow. I mean, it's loose wave. See, I wanted something that's gonna give me kind of like body wave, but also like I don't have to like do anything to it. Wake up in the morning, just like run a comb through it. I run a brush through it, but this is it. It came with like really thick baby hairs. So for sure, gonna cut them hoes. But I'm gonna show you how I look just now on my skin. I don't know if you was paying attention, but I wanna say, I don't know if this is Swiss lace or not, but wait. So I mean, with my face, I feel like I can't really see. I feel like it will blend in just fine. Yeah, so pretty good. Wait, so within this video, yes, yeah, you kind of see the, I like how this vendor put it in bags instead of like things like this, because usually when I order hair, it's in like stuff like that all the time. I like those Ziploc bags. I like it a lot. Hair, like black hair. Like this is natural black, so I'm like black. So it's not like a 1B, probably like a 2B. Oh, y'all supposed to see me this. I have to show y'all another one, like before I had remember. It's so pretty, y'all. Look at that shine. Yo, this about me. Bro, can't tell me nothing when I get this in. But look at that shine, y'all. Luster. I need my eyebrows done, y'all. Don't talk about it. But like, let's watch the bounce real quick. My fingers got caught. Oh, that's beautiful. Y'all can't tell me that's not. I am so excited. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm gonna show y'all the one actually with the knot coming out of it, because it's like knotted in a way, or like a really tight curl. And it does not have a bad smell, or any type of smell, that is. The last hair I got had like hot hair smell. It smelled really bad, like it was processed or something. It did not smell good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you 14, so you can actually see that first pull-out effect, just for the purpose of the video. Let's hair review. So this one already came like kind of undone. It's not as twisted as hard as the first one, but you know, rake that bad boy through a couple of times. It's the 14-inch right here. Body. It's like now I kind of don't want to dye it anymore, but like, y'all, I don't know. I want to though. I really do want to, but like, I don't know anymore. Like, cause you know, black is so natural. But I want to try a color, y'all. I want to try a color, so that's it for this video. Peace.
Chocolate cocoa puffs. Go to the flow and then you beat his ass. I say